Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and this is the channel where I went to business school so you didn't need to, and today we are talking about Tesla's TSLA shares, and we have phenomenal news today. I will briefly go over their Q4 revenue and profit beat that they recently just released, but we really want to focus on their Cybertruck production beginning later this year. We're also going to be going over the latest news updates and price targets for this company, not only revolving around their future share price and their future earnings reports that they could be bringing in regards to their overall revenue, earnings per share, electric delivery vehicle numbers, and the like, but also various developments within the company. Essentially, Tesla will be releasing a new secret model, and on top of that, Tesla is also planning to build a $3.5 billion semi-truck plant in Nevada, according to the White House. So these are all phenomenal updates, but the best one, honestly, is the last update to where a plethora of various analysts, due to Tesla's very strong Q4 financial results, have increased their overall price targets and price predictions, thus forecasting a very strong 2023 for Tesla leading into 2024. So for more news stock updates on Tesla, remember to go and annihilate that like button, subscribe if you are new, comment your thoughts down below, either about their amazing earnings report, the Cybertruck production beginning, the new vehicle that they're supposed to release, which we will get more details on March 4th, or lastly, their plant to build autonomous semi-trucks, or even the analysts increasing their overall price targets. Again, for more news videos just like this one, go and smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, comment your thoughts down below, and let's just get right into analyzing these articles. Right now, if you didn't know, Tesla is an electric vehicle company that also specializes in energy storage and energy generation. A lot of investors seem to forget about that portion of this company. Right now, their share price trades for around $158, while professionals believe this company is undervalued right now because at minimum, the company should be trading at around $190, and at maximum, the company is supposed to be trading at around $436. So why not get some Tesla shares right now? Look at it. Off of the hype and all of these news articles coming out, the company's already surged by around 10% today. Absolutely phenomenal. So right now, if you don't know, Tesla as a company reported their overall Q4 earnings and revenue. In addition, the company also announced that they are beginning production on the Cybertruck later this year. Really quickly, if you didn't know, for their Q4 results, they brought in $24.32 billion worth of revenue, which absolutely demolished estimates which were supposed to come in at around $24.07 billion. Similarly, they also had an earnings beat on an adjusted earnings per share basis. They brought in $1.19, but they were supposed to bring in just $1.12. So this has caused the share price absolutely to skyrocket, and it's phenomenal news for this company. But that's not all. More on the profitability end, Tesla reported adjusted net income of $4.1 billion. That's around $400 million more than Q3 and over $1.3 billion more than a year ago. This company is absolutely rapidly expanding, and to be a shareholder in Tesla right now is absolutely phenomenal. Just look at Tesla's quarterly automotive revenue. Look at that amazing growth over the years and quarter over quarter. So I am very excited. The main reason why I'm so excited is because this company wasn't supposed to release a very bullish earnings report. They were actually supposed to miss on their earnings report, which was shocking. However, the CEO, who is Elon Musk, actually addressed why this is. Elon Musk actually said on the earnings call that the recent price cuts actually boosted demand considerably and had more people buy more Tesla vehicles, and that's absolutely great news. I predicted this in a prior video, saying that the price cuts of these overall vehicles, of the overall MSRP going down for these vehicles, are actually going to increase overall revenues because people who couldn't afford them now can afford them, thus forcing them to buy these vehicles because it's such a great deal. And that's why we saw such a great earnings beat. And this is supposed to be reflected even more in Q1 of 2023, because honestly, we really didn't even see a good reflection of these price cuts because they're so recent. So investors that are attributing this recent earnings and revenue beat to the price cuts are not necessarily misled, but honestly, they didn't really have much to do with it. The main reason for this is overall production numbers and the ability of Tesla to sell the vehicles that they produce. I've said it multiple times, Tesla has two main competitive advantages. One is a technological advantage in terms of their overall manufacturing capacity. The second one is they had the clear first mover advantage. I also want to highlight how the CFO, who is the chief financial officer of Tesla, on the earnings call says to expect a minimum of around 20% gross margins despite price cuts. This is absolutely phenomenal. That means Tesla has one of the most competitive gross margins in the entire industry. So what do we get when we put together a company that has a first mover advantage, the technological advantage of manufacturing, and the ability to sell these vehicles at a higher gross margin than their competition? Exactly. We get a complete blowout, thus solidifying Tesla as top dog in the electric vehicle space. I also want to reiterate how Tesla kept their long-term delivery target of a 50% CAGR. Essentially, they're saying that they are anticipated to improve their long-term delivery numbers by a 50% margin year after year. A CAGR essentially is just a compounding annual growth rate, and it means that this company is still rapidly expanding, which is great news not only for employees of this company, but also for investors, because it means the share price is going to climb even higher, and I think they will be able to regain that $1 trillion valuation. Good news all over the place. I also want to highlight that despite missing deliveries over the last few quarters, for 2023, and I quote, the company said, "We expect to remain ahead of the long-term 50% CAGR with around 1.8 million cars for the year." End quote. Absolutely great news. I'm very impressed with Tesla, and I'm still so surprised on their very positive earnings report. Tesla also revealed that the Cybertruck is on track to begin production later this year in 2023, and that its next-gen platform is under development, with more details coming on their investor day, which will be on March 1st. So clearly we have an upcoming catalyst for this company, more than just the Cybertruck and their new next-generation platform. Overall, the Cybertruck production will begin in the summertime of 2023, but the mainstream volume of high-end production won't begin until 2024. So I'm guessing only people who have pre-ordered this company will receive their Cybertruck, or at least start to be sent their Cybertruck at the end of 2023, but mass production won't begin for this company for their Cybertruck until 2024. But again, the Cybertruck is an absolutely huge win for this overall company. Also, I want to highlight that wasn't in the previous article that Tesla has a phenomenally strong balance sheet. They are sitting right now on around $22 billion worth of cash. And this means Tesla can either invest into themselves, make more gigafactories, or make new models. Again, we have a new model that is currently under development according to this article, and the details surrounding this will be released on March 1st, which is their investor day. So overall, very positive developments for this company, and I see why the share price is absolutely surging right now. I also want to remind investors that as new models come out, which we will see, the older models will receive more price cuts, thus increasing demand again, which is then going to translate to even higher revenues for their future earnings reports going forward. So overall, really good positive news updates for this company, and I'm absolutely ecstatic if you can't tell. Something else that I'm really interested in is that Tesla is planning to build out a $3.5 billion semi-truck plant in Nevada. I have a quote from the article from Nevada's governor, where Tesla will be building their overall plant and facility. And the governor says, and I quote, "I am looking forward to joining Elon Musk and the team at Tesla tomorrow when they unveil plans to build a brand new $3.5 billion advanced manufacturing facility in northern Nevada. Nevada for the company's all-electric semi-trucks, end quote. Clearly, this quote is from the past. This already happened, and overall, we have some fantastic news regarding Tesla's latest developments. We even have the White House chiming in and confirming those plans, to where President Joe Biden's infrastructure coordinator said this, and I quote, "This announcement is the latest in more than $300 billion in private sector investment in clean energy and semiconductor manufacturing announced since the president took office." It goes on to say, "It will create more than 3,000 good-paying jobs in Nevada, helping America lead in clean energy manufacturing, strengthening our energy security, and ultimately lowering costs for families." End quote. And honestly, that's just what Tesla does. They're a phenomenal company. I'm glad they're a United States company, and I love investing into this company. Tesla has also previously stated that they plan to build the Tesla semis at their Gigafactory plant over in Austin, but we haven't really seen any large updates in terms of that. But overall, I am very impressed with this company in general because they have so many catalysts coming up, which is just going to increase their overall share price. And analysts are taking note. Tesla got multiple price target increases for price predictions and price targets and forecasts, as well as projections in terms of professional analysts. And this is mainly due to their strong Q4 results, as well as the various catalysts that are coming up. Just listen to this. A Citigroup analyst recently increased their overall price target for Tesla from $137 up to $146. A Bank of America analyst increased their price prediction from $130 up to $155. Wolf Research also increased their price projection for this company from $160 up to $185. Wells Fargo again increased their price target from $130 up to $150. But if you all know me, I am a huge fan of a Wedbush analyst named Daniel Ives, and he maintained an outperform rating for Tesla, increasing his share price target from $175 to $200. So clearly, I'm going to agree with Daniel Ives, or Dan Ives, more than all of these analysts, but it really shows how Tesla is feeling the love from all of these professionals, including myself. So overall, phenomenal company, love Tesla, love to see them succeeding, get that share price higher, get back to a $1 trillion valuation, and I want to hear your thoughts about any or all of these developments. Don't forget to go and smash that like button right now, subscribe if you are new for more news updates, comment your thoughts down below, and I will see you in the next YT video.